Hey guys, Wix100 here, and I am going to teach you how to start programming in C#. And I'm going to start off with a Hello World application for a console application. So first thing you want to do is not open a new project. I'm going to create a new project. Then select console app.NET Framework. And then you can call it whatever you want. I'm calling it Hello World Console. And I'm actually going to put this in C#-tutorials because I'm going to be uploading all of my projects in the tutorials to GitHub. And that's where my GitHub folder is. So create. And now what you want to do is the program starts in this main method here. So you want to type console.writeLine, and then in the parentheses you put quotes because it's going to be a string, which a string is like, it's a variable type that is text. And then you want to type hello world, or really you could type whatever you want in it. And then lines have to end with a semicolon. Not all lines, but most lines. It actually marks the end of a statement. And so technically you could have many different statements in one line. But most people put them on separate lines. And then so what you then want to do is you could hit start. But then the issue with that is it disappears once it's done typing. So what you do to get it to stay once it's done, you can hit Control F5 and it launches, except when it gets to the end it says press any key to continue, and then you can just press a key and it disappears. So that's a very basic program for C#. It's Hello World console version, just to ease you into C# programming. I will be doing more tutorials later. Bye.